Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the surface area of right circular cylinder. Now, as the name suggests, cylinder to aap sabne kafi padha hai, right? Right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder means a cylinder having circular bases. Okay, now when I say circular bases, how many bases does a cylinder have? Two bases, right? So, aapke jo bases honge, that will be circular in shape and the cylinder will be perpendicular to the base. Okay, it will be perpendicular. It will be at 90 degree. It will be forming a right angle with the base. Getting it, students? It will be forming right angle with the base. So such type of cylinders are known as right circular cylinder. Whereas when we talk about its faces, faces hai aapke two circular faces. Two circular faces and one curved face. One is your curved face and we have two circular faces. Clear? Now when we talk about its surface area, right? So surface area of the cylinder can be found by breaking the cylinder into three parts, isn't it? Circular face, curved face and circular face. Right? The two circles that make up the ends of the circle, इनका area निकालेंगे, plus the side of the cylinder, जो कि है आपका curved face. अगर हम इसे unroll करते हैं, okay, which when unrolled will be a rectangle, isn't it? So we are having three faces and then we will be finding the circular surface area of this right circular cylinder. Let me take help of the Maths Open Ref to explain you more about it. So as I said, students, the surface area of the cylinder can be found by breaking it into three parts. अभी three parts कैसे हैं बच्चों? देखो, ये है आपका cylinder. Okay, actually आपका cylinder बना कैसे है? When you have taken a rectangular sheet and you have rolled it, isn't it? This is the rectangular sheet along with the two circular bases. So when we roll this rectangular sheet, the right circular cylinder is formed. है ना? एक सिलेंडर फॉर्म होता है. कब फॉर्म होगा ये सिलेंडर? जब आप इस रेक्टेंगुलर शीट को रोल करते हैं. Isn't it? So that these two circles, the first circle ये आपके सामने जो है, you can see these two circles make up the ends of the cylinder, and the side of the cylinder, which is when unrolled, is a rectangle. Isn't it? So बच्चों, if you observe here in this, आपका जो rectangle है, okay, you all know the formula for area of rectangle. It is length into breadth, isn't it? So here in this case, आपका breadth जो है वो तो height हो गया, right? This is your breadth. Breadth becomes your height. When the sheet is rolled, आपका जब सिलेंडर फॉर्म होता है तो वो जो रेक्टेंगुलर पेज है बच्चों, जो रेक्टेंगुलर शीट आपने लिया है, उसका बेस जो है वो आपका हाइट बन जाएगा. ओके, वेयर एज द लेंथ, जो आपकी लेंथ है, दिस इज योर लेंथ. ओके, लेंथ इज व्हाट? लेंथ इज द डिस्टेंस अराउंड द एंड ऑफ सर्कल्स. जब आप इसे रोल करेंगे, यू कैन जस्ट ऑब्जर्व योर स्टूडेंट्स, आप जब इसे रोल करते हैं, isn't it? देखो रोल हो रहा है. आपका लेंथ देखो बच्चों, लेंथ जो है वो सर्कल को कवर कर रहा है. इट विल बिकम द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द अराउंड द सर्कल ऑफ द सर्कल, नहीं, डिस्टेंस अराउंड द सर्कल, है ना? जो आपका लेंथ है वो देखो सर्कुलर शेप ले रहा है. इट मींस जो आपका लेंथ है दैट विल बिकम द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल. You can, that will become the circumference of the circle. And what is the formula for circumference of the circle, bachcho? It's 2 pi r, right? So now if we apply the formula of area of rectangle here, that is length into breadth, आपका क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? Length is 2 pi r, that is your perimeter, circumference, into height. Height क्या है बच्चों? आपका base. Base ही तो आपका height बन गया. So when you substitute the values in the formula, you get area of this rectangular sheet as 2 pi r into h. That is 2 pi r h. Getting everyone? And then how many circular bases do we have? We have two circular bases, top and bottom, right? So area of one will be pi r square. So area of two circles, 2 times pi r square, right? So in this way, when we find the total surface area, so total surface area will be area of rectangular sheet isn't it? Rectangular sheet जिसे roll किया हमने to form a cylinder plus area of two circular bases. Area of two circular bases. Okay, that is area of rectangular sheet is 2 pi RH plus area of two circular bases is 2 pi r square. Okay, simplifying this further, if we take 2 times common from it, pi common in both the terms, r common in both the terms, so we are just left with r plus h. And this is our total surface area, that is TSA. I hope students you are much clear now with this reference. Okay, if any doubt, please pause the video, repeat the video, and if any doubt still, comment in the box. I will surely revert back. So I hope students now you all are clear with the total surface area. Total surface area is area of the two circles. अभी मैंने आपको बताया है with the interactive session. I hope आप वो समझ में आया हो. Okay, so 2 pi r square plus area of the rectangular sheet, that is 2 pi r h. And when we simplify this to get a formula, we take 2 pi and r as common, and then we are just left with r plus h. So this is TSA, total surface area of cylinder. Okay, now this is TSA. TSA में हमने क्या किया? Total surface लिया है आपका top, bottom and the curved. Okay, now the next is your curved surface area. Curved surface area. Now when I say curved surface area, bachcho, look at the diagram. How many curved surfaces you have? We just have one curved surface, isn't it? This is your curved surface, right? So this curved surface is what? This curved surface when unrolled is your rectangle. Remember just now I have shown you. So हम क्या करेंगे? अब सिर्फ इसी का एरिया निकालेंगे. That is your 2 pi r, that is your circumference into your height, right? So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. And until and unless stated, बच्चों आपको r जो है, r will always be the radius of the bases, circular base. Okay, अब क्योंकि इसमें आप देखो आपके पास में दो ही circles हैं. Okay, तो आपका जो r है, that is radius of the circular bases. I hope students you all are clear with this. If any doubt, please do let me know. Okay, now let's start with the questions related to the same topic. Now here in this question, it says that the curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeters square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. First thing student given to us is curved surface area. Okay, they have given us the curved surface area of cylinder. That is your 88 centimeter square. Okay, then they have also given us the height of the cylinder. Height is also given to us as 14 centimeter. And we have to find the diameter. Diameter find karna hai. Diameter is question. Okay, now here as CSA is given to us. Let's take the formula of the same, that is CSA of cylinder is equals to 2 pi r h, isn't it? Substitute the value here. CSA is 88 is equals to 2 into 22 upon 7 value of your pi. Radius we don't know because we have to find diameter. It means radius nahi pata hai. Into height. Height is 14. Okay. Solving this, we get 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. That is radius is equals to 88. All the terms from left hand side transposed to the right hand side. 2 multiplied by 22, 44. 44 multiplied by 2, 88. So 88 transposed to the left hand side, 88 ones are 88 ones are. So you get the radius as 1 centimeter. Okay, this is your radius. But the question is to find the diameter. So diameter, we all know what is diameter, bacho? 2 times radius, right? So it can be 2 times 1 centimeter. that is 2 centimeter. So our answer is hence radius is 1 centimeter and diameter D is 2 centimeter. Now here students, instead of doing the same steps, you can just change your formula here. If you observe here finally, आपका formula है 2 pi RH, isn't it? CSA is 2 pi RH. अगर आप इसमें से सिर्फ 2 और R को नोट करो बच्चों, so this can be written as 2R into pi H. Same meaning, just the way of writing is different, right? And this 2R is what? This 2R is your diameter. So diameter into pi H. You can work with the same formula also. Both ways it will be correct. I hope students you all are clear. Take a pause and make the notes of the same. And then we'll continue with our next question. In the second question, it says it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter is given as 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? Now students note here the given condition. It says a closed cylindrical tank. Closed cylindrical tank है मतलब आपका तीनों surfaces जो है उनका काम आएगा. Right? Closed है ना? It will have a circular basis. That means 2 circular bases and 1 curved surface. Isn't it? So here in this question, we are going to find how many square meters of the sheet required for the same. That means we are going to find the total surface area of this cylinder. Okay. Now it is required to make a closed cylindrical of height 1 meter. They have given us the height as 1 meter. Okay. And also they have given us the diameter of the base. Diameter is 140 centimeter, isn't it? Now here we need to find the total surface area of cylinder, right? We will find either it in meter square or in centimeter square. You can convert it any way as you wish. But again, we will need a radius here, right? So first step before conversion, we will find the radius. So radius is equals to half of the diameter, right? That is 140 divided by 2. That is your 70 centimeter. Okay. And converting 70 centimeter to meter. Okay. If I want to convert this into meter, I have to divide it by 100. Isn't it? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter will be 1 upon 100 meters. You can do either on the way. You can convert height into centimeters or diameters or radius into meters. Anyways, it both will be correct. So here 0, 0 cancel and it will be 0.7 meters. Right? Now we have to calculate the area of the sheet required. Area of the sheet required will be equals to what बच्चों? Total surface area. अगर आपको एक क्लोज सिलेंड्रिकल बनाना है, क्लोज सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक, तो कितना शीट लगेगा? इट मींस आपको पूरा कंप्लीट सिलेंडर ही बनाना है ना, कवर करना है उससे. इट मींस दैट विल बी योर TSA ऑफ अ टैंक, right? You are covering all the 3 phases. So the formula here is 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. बच्चों ये simplified formula है. अगर आप एग्जाम में याद नहीं रख पा रहे हैं, आप रफ में अपना खुद का एक रफ फॉर्मूला बना सकते हैं. That is also okay. Substituting the value, we get 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius. Radius is now 0.7 meter. 0.7 in the bracket, radius plus height, that is 0.7 plus height. Height is 1. Okay, and the area will be in meter square. Okay, now calculating this, we get 2 into 22 into 7 ones are 7 0.1s, isn't it? 0.1 in the bracket, 0.7 plus 1 will be 1.7 meter square. Solving this further, we will get the answer as 7.48 meter square. So it means the total surface area of a tank is 7.48 meters square, which means the total sheet required to make this closed cylindrical tank will be 7.48. Okay, so the sheet required, your final answer, the sheet required for making closed cylindrical tank will be 7.48 meter square. I hope students you all are clear with this question. Do practice again. If any doubt, do watch the video again and stay tuned. I will be uploading the next questions in the next video. Thank you so much students for taking out time to study. Best of luck for your studies. Thank you.